When boiling eggs, never place them directly in water. Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to boil eggs. Like a 5-star restaurant. The eggs will be fresh and soft, easy to peel, and come off when touched. The yolk will be perfectly cooked, not dry, and most importantly, the egg will taste delicious. Let's take a look. Let's start with the eggs. Whether you buy them at the market, supermarket, or directly from the farm, there may still be some dirt clinging to the shells after transportation and storage. Do not ignore this step. If you skip cleaning, it is easy for E. coli bacteria to penetrate from the outside of the eggshell into the digestive tract and cause disease. After placing the eggs in the bowl, add a little salt to the eggs and baking soda. Then add water to cover the eggs. Where are you from? Please leave a comment to let me know. Dissolve the salt and baking powder. It's great to know that we can meet all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's great to have your support. Then soak the eggs for 5 minutes. After soaking, wipe the eggs clean with a kitchen towel. When a hen lays an egg, the egg needs to pass through a passage called the anus to be laid. The anus is responsible for excretion. Therefore, dirt on the surface of the egg can be chicken droppings, chicken feathers, and other types of dirt. Contaminants, along with the adhesion of pathogenic microorganisms, such as Escherichia coli and Salmonella. Salt and baking soda are a great combination for cleaning eggs. Baking soda helps soften and loosen stubborn stains, while salt helps disinfect and effectively remove impurities. As a result, eggshells are cleaned more thoroughly, boiled eggs taste better, and there's no longer an unpleasant earthy smell. Next, rinse the eggs with clean water. Eggs are one of the foods with great nutritional value, providing vitamins and minerals, in addition to containing a lot of protein, choline for health. It is very easy to eat, and almost everyone, from the elderly to children, can eat. Once the eggs have been cleaned, place a plate inside the steamer. Add a little vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 slices of lemon, stir well until the salt dissolves. Salt helps to stabilize the evaporation of water, while fresh lemon releases a light, pleasant aroma during the steaming process. Then, I gently arrange the eggs around the plate. This method makes the eggs softer and easier to peel. Now, place the steamer on top of the larger pot. Close the lid and turn on the stove. When steaming eggs, the heat from the steam will gradually warm the eggs. Once the water boils, reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. To boil soft-boiled eggs, boil for 6 minutes. For hard-boiled eggs, boil for approximately 10 minutes. The time may vary depending on the number of eggs. When the time is up, open the lid and the eggs will smell delicious and not fishy. But if you peel them immediately, they will be too hot and difficult to handle. However, do not eat the eggs immediately while they are. You prepare a basin of cold water. Cold water will help lower the temperature of the egg effectively. You put the egg in water immediately to make it easier to peel. Moreover, the nature of protein is a glue. It tends to expand when hot and contract when cold. Therefore, soaking in cold water will help the protein contract. The eggshell is also easy to peel. Soak it until the egg is coolant, not hot to the touch. Otherwise, when peeling, It is easy to get the egg white stuck, which is wasteful and time-consuming. Eggs boiled this way are intact, without cracking or breaking the shell. Now, peel an egg. Use a stainless steel spoon to gently tap the shell to create a crack, then peel along the crack. You will see that the shell comes off easily, without sticking. Now, let's see how it peels off. Wow! The eggshell peels off very easily and quickly, with no egg white sticking to it. The egg is beautiful. The egg white is intact, soft, smooth, and elastic. We do the same with the remaining eggs. The eggshell peels off easily with just a few gentle movements. The membrane separates from the egg white, allowing you to quickly peel the entire egg without damaging the surface. The finished product retains its beautiful, smooth, and attractive round shape, perfect for cooking or presenting beautifully on the table. We cut open the egg to see what the yolk looked like inside. You can see the egg yolk is a perfect yellow color. Whether for breakfast or afternoon tea, this tea has a smooth and gentle flavor. Boiled eggs can give you a feeling of satisfaction in terms of taste. Breakfast with eggs is convenient, quick, and nutritious. If you're tired of boiled eggs, let's make a delicious dish using them. Once the eggs were boiled, I put them all into a pan of oil and fried them over medium heat, gently stirring to ensure the outer shells were evenly golden brown on all sides. Meanwhile, in another pan, I sautéed minced garlic with a little oil. When the garlic becomes fragrant, I add the chili sauce. Next, add 30 g of sugar. Finally, add oyster sauce and a little lemon juice. Stir everything well. The combination of salty, sweet, sour, and spicy flavors creates a very harmonious sauce, making the egg dish even more flavorful. Next, I added the golden fried eggs to the pan of sauce. Stirring gently and continuously so that the sauce evenly coated each egg and gradually seeped into the outside. Finally, I arranged the eggs on a plate. The outer crust was a light golden color, evenly coated with a beautiful glossy sauce, while the inside retained its soft white and rich, fragrant yolk. Served with warm, crispy bread, the flavor was even more appealing, making it a perfect choice for a simple yet captivating meal. So today I've shared with you a very simple egg steaming trick that results in evenly cooked eggs that are easy to peel and look beautiful. With just a few familiar ingredients and a little time, you can make delicious eggs right at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.